Today I am coming on to do a product review, and this is on the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisture Primer Pre-Styling Whip. I have never tried this product ever, so this is going to be my first time using it. I thought today would be a good day because I just took my bun, my updo out, and it's been a couple days and I want to refresh my hair, so I'm going to be refreshing it like using this like a hair milk. I believe that's how you use it. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read the back. Okay, so it says Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisture Primer Pre-Styling Whip is an ultra-rich, highly moisturizing, lightweight cream that utilizes the nourishment properties of almonds and avocados to coat and strengthen strands before styling, ideal for tightly curled and coiled strands. And it says directions: evenly distribute a quarter-sized amount to damp or dry hair. I'm going to be using dry. I'm going to be putting it on dry hair. I'm just not in the mood for spritzing it today, so I'm just going to put it on dry hair and see how it works on dry hair. I notice for me, it depends. Sometimes these type of products like hair milks work better for me with dry hair, and then like conditioners of course work better with wet hair. So yeah, I'm just going to try this on dry hair, and then it says to follow up with your favorite Design Essentials natural hair styling products. Well, today I'm not going to be doing a styling video. I am just going to be prepping this because I'm actually going to swoop it right back up into a bun. So I just wanted to come on here to test this product out and see how it works and how it feels, and give you some type of a review. It has the same scent, same smell as the almond and avocado line. Can't really describe it. It has its own scent. It's supposed like a Design Essential product if you're familiar with their products. And I'm just going to slide you over or back a little bit, so I have enough space to put this. And it's very moisture based, so that's another reason why, if you can see, it's very drippy. So that's another reason why I'm not adding water. I don't think I need to add water. It's so much liquid, and it's like, as soon as I rub it in, it feels like I'm rubbing in water. If you can see, it's not really oily. So I had slept with my hair like this last night. I forgot to actually, I meant to braid this back up, but I was so tired, and I'm actually still tired today. You can probably tell I'm tired. I had such a good night's sleep, and when I'm in that deep, deep sleep, I have a hard time in the mornings because I'm sleeping so good, and it's so hard for me to get up. But I'm just gonna probably put my hair, braid all my hair up, and just not braid it up, but twist it up. I'm gonna braid this section because I'm gonna be doing the same style that I wore in my last video, and I'm just gonna dip my fingers in here like that and just apply it. I mean, if you prefer to spritz it with water, that's, you can also do that too, but I'm just going to go ahead and just apply it with dry hair. And I'm just going to comb it through. It gives it a little bit of a sheen. My hair does not shine very much. Like, it's very dull, no matter what product I put in it, I hardly get any shine to my hair. I think it just has to do with the coil texture. Because the more curly your hair is, the more tightly coiled, the less sheen you get. And the straighter the texture, the more shine you get. So that is just how it is. So, piece of hair. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I am just gonna braid up the rest. And what I can say about it, it just feels like a typical moisturizer. See, this is when I leave my hair in it. Sometimes it is easier if I have a spritzer spray bottle. I don't know, it doesn't have to be, I'm gonna swoop all this up, so I don't really care about the parts. I'm just gonna add some moisture back in my hair. I always focus on the ends, as always, and separate to make sure all the strands get some of that moisture back in there. And I'm probably, when I swoop this back up, I'm going to be using the Mane Choice hair gel. Pretty much doing the same thing that I did in the last video. It's such an easy style. And I'll probably be doing this during the summertime. It comes easy, even though I don't have any water in my hair. It feels moisturized. The milk souffle that I always talk about is more of a jelly texture. This is more liquidy. I guess the other one is more like for a conditioner, like more of a conditioner texture. But this one is more of like in between a hair milk. I'm just surprised they put it in that jar for it to be that liquidy. I thought they would probably put it in a different type of container. But in a way, I like it like this because you can get as much as you need by dipping your fingers in the jar. Just have to be careful not to spill it because it's open. It's not like it's covered, so gotta be extra careful. It does bring some sheen into my hair, which is very hard to, and that's even without any water. It seems to be a lot more shiny than normal when I put other hair products in my hair. So that's a plus, something that I've noticed. I think this product would pair well with the mousse. It comes out easy. And it tends to detangle because you saw how it was kind of matted up. It detangles well. So I know I'm looking a little crazy, but you know, y'all seen me like this before. Y'all have seen me like this in many videos. This is my go-to protective style when I'm in between hairstyles. This is my bonnet, let's put it this way, my nighttime bonnet hairstyle. Prior to styling, I always just twist it up to keep it protected. What I might do is put a little bit of castor oil up in here. That would actually, because I haven't been using my growth products, my neem oil and my castor oil, due to me using my Camel Rose conditioner. That Camel Rose smells so good, you just do not want to put anything in it. You just want to use that as is. I don't put any products in my Camel Rose conditioner or any of their products. So I just use it as is, but I can tell my hair needs some castor oil and some neem oil, because I do want to, you know, protect those edges, because I am parting it in the same way again, and I have to be careful because I have been parting it with a bang, and I just don't want to keep on parting it. You gotta make sure you alter your hairstyles. As you know, I know y'all know that already, but I just thought I'd mention it for anybody who doesn't know. Twist this up. It does feel so much better. It feels so much better. And there's not a whole lot of, I always look to see, make sure this is as much that came out so far. But this is to be expected, because it's been a few days. It's been twisted up, so that's like normal shedding. And then I'm just gonna probably do this in 4s. Okay, so here you have it, guys. I completed it. It feels freshly moisturized. I always like to refresh my hair before I actually put it into another style, so this way I don't, I like to replenish, you know, so it doesn't dry out when I have it for a couple days in a bun. So or whatever style I'm putting it in. So because I won't be manipulating it for a couple days, so I like to make sure that I restore the moisture. So this here, I am going to pop this back on, and it is a little wet. It's damp. Not wet, but damp. So as far as the product review, not much to say. My hair doesn't feel sticky or anything. It feels it's a very light, like they said, a light moisturizing cream. So it's definitely something you can use prior to styling, and it's according to your preference, because some people may just use the moisture milk that comes in the bottle, or this, you know, whether you want to dip it. You just have to be careful that it doesn't spill, because there's no cover when you're actually using the product. So far, from what I experienced, and since it's my first time using it, it's hard for me to really make a judgment call. It's something that I have to use a couple times to see whether I like it or not. So first initial reaction is fine. It's, you know, it moisturizes, it does what it says it's going to do. I do notice it adds a little bit of sheen to my hair, which is very hard to add any type of sheen or shine to my hair, so that's a plus. I guess that